नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिव समारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respect. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Sri Mahants, Mahants, Tanidar Kotari, visitors, viewers, Kayakalpa Yoga participants, Kailasas, E-Gurukul students, Kailasas, NHU students, Diksha into Power Manifestation Program participants, and all the living and practicing Hindus from all over the world. I welcome all of you with my love and respect. Paramashiva's message from Sri Kailasa directly. Listen. The signs of the intangible but definitive part of the existence. The signs of the intangible but definitive part of the existence is dharma. Listen carefully. Signs of the intangible but definitive part of the existence is dharma, and applied signs of the intangible but definitive existence is called agama. Understand? I love you guys with my absolute love for all of you. I am revealing these signs. Understand one thing. First, drop the stupidity which you are taught by the atheists. Intangible does not exist. No. Intangible exists and it matters. One of the biggest stupidity the atheism taught to the world, brainwashed the whole world with the idea intangible does not exist. No. Actually, the intangible is 99% of your life. Tangible is only 1% of your life. That is why when you become atheist, life seems to be heavy on you. You don't have answer for anything. You don't have formula, principle, sutra, idea, understanding about anything. When you deny the existence of intangible, you destroy your very existence. I tell you, intangible but definitive components of your life, parts of your life, as a great science. Whether in your logic level, in your emotion level, in your functioning of the mind, functioning of your body, in every level. Understand? Today's satsang is very intense, like Panagam. If you are doing Pachapatni Vradam, you know the taste of the Panagam by now, with the real ginger and lemon jaggery water. How it tastes deep your throat. The today's satsang is like a Panagam. Here again and again, you will understand what I am saying. I'll give you a very simple example which you all understand very easily. The psychological sexual pleasure, intangible, but it is definitive part of all human beings. Like watching pornography or sexting. I am not saying it is right or wrong. I am not getting into that subject now. I am only saying all these are intangible, but as definitive part in your inner space. This one small example. I can give you multiple. For example, if you are fasting, within 2-3 days, the dream you will be feasting. It may be intangible. Feasting in your dream, eating all varieties of food in your dream may be intangible, but it is definitive part of your existence. And if you continue to fast with a higher powerful cognition, that powerful cognition gets into your dream. Even in your dream, you will say, no, I don't want to eat because I am doing Pachapatni Vratam for Parashakti. Fasting is one of the easiest way of putting any powerful cognition into your innermost, deepest conscious part. Any powerful cognition is like a seed. If you put that seed in the deepest consciousness, core of your being, it will become reality just like that. I tell you. Intangible but definitive components of your life. That science and applied science is whole Hinduism. Veda Agamas. Human beings keep on growing as long as they understand, explore, and experience the intangible components of life and cosmos. I tell you, intangible components of life and cosmos. Last few days I made few statements in the satsang. Rain is the self-purification process of nature. Mahamari, Mariamman, is the self-purification process of Prakriti, Parashakti. Fasting is the self-purification process of the system you are carrying. Understand? There are many intangible components in you, what you call as your life. Fasting is the best way to purify all the tangible and intangible components of your existence. I tell you, just few strains of toxins, poisonous toxins in your system is enough to make your whole day hell. You will be continuously irritated even if you win the lottery. Even if you win a lottery for $1 million, you will be irritated about the tax you need to pay. Even if you win the lottery for $1 billion, you will be angry about some thieves may try to steal your money. Strain of toxin inside your system is enough to make your whole day hell. I read a small story. It's really nice story. First, I want to apologize to Yamadharma because the story is making fun of Yamadharma. Listen. One day Yamadharma comes to planet Earth to do his job, harvesting the life. So anybody comes to you for harvesting life, be careful. There Yamadharma. And somehow, whatever may be the reason, he fell in love with a girl. And he decided to get married to her. And got married also. Had a son. As usual, the middle-age crisis started after maybe 5-6 years of marriage. The fight and the whole drama. He was not able to take it. Because he always lived by only giving order, never taking orders. That's a little difficult in marriage. So finally, he decided to run away, escape back to his Yamaloka. But he had a son, so he was really bothered about the future of the son. So he calls the son secretly. And he's a kid, few years marriage only. And reveals his identity to the son. And makes him grow tall through his powers. Means makes him grow older through his powers and tells him, see, I give you the knowledge of medicine. You will become a greatest Vaidya, doctor in the whole world. Only one condition. Whenever you see me, don't treat that patient. He is going to die. If you see me, don't treat that patient. He is going to die. You will have bad name that you treated and that patient died. Otherwise, nobody can falter you. You can never falter. You will be the doctor, saves anyone whom you touch. Okay? And then Yamadharma escapes to Yamaloka. Wife cries, screams, searches everywhere, but could not find. That's the beauty of Indian wives. They may fight whole day, but they will not be away from husband. They will really miss him. Is too important component of her life. So life goes on, and this fellow becomes really the greatest physician in the whole country. Whole country knows that if he touches, the patient will be healed. No death. If he says no, he won't touch, the patient will surely die. Because whenever he sees his father, he will say, no, I am not going to treat this patient. So everyone knows now the whole secret, that if he touches, the patient will be saved. If not, the patient will be dead. Unfortunately, the princess of the kingdom, she fell sick and no doctor was able to cure. King announces whoever cures her, he will give princess and the kingdom. Declare him as a future king. The doctor, Vaidya, goes and he sees Yamadharma standing there. What to do? This fellow, oh God, if I cure her, I will have princess and this whole kingdom. What to do? All it is very simple thing. He comes out of the room and screams, Mom, you are searching for a dad, he is here. That's it. Never ever he was seen again. Yama even leaves his buffalo and runs back to his Yamaloka. There are many things intangible, but very definitive. Understand? Even psychological torture is intangible but very definitive. Whether the pleasure of sexting or pornography or the psychological torture, all these are different levels of intangible but definitive experience. Listen. Listen carefully. Connecting to Paramashiva, oneness, devotion, all these are also intangible but definitive experience of power manifestation. Definitive experience for enlightenment. Understand? Why do you think from time immemorial rishis, sages move to forest, away from humanity. Because you need to be in that space of absolute peace and freedom to manifest the highest powers to planet Earth, to the whole universe. Understand? Last 2 years, I have seen only maximum I have only seen 20 human beings. Last 2 years, more than 20 human beings have not seen me. Physically, maximum 20 human beings only have seen me. Last full 2 years. Almost 20 hours a day I am in Samadhi. Continuously. Rooted in Samadhi. I opened my whole existence for Paramashiva to manifest all his dimensions and just let myself available to him. I tell you, this whole Pachapattini Vratam is just making all of us available to Parashakti for her to manifest through us and heal the whole world. Understand? When you make yourself available for Paramashiva, Parashakti, one and the same, Paramashiva and Parashakti, not only they manifest, the being of Paramashiva manifests through you and heals the whole world, your being also starts manifesting all powers of Paramashiva. It's a win-win-win-win-win strategy. Win-win-win-win-win for strategy. Winning for you, winning for the world, winning for the Paramashiva, winning for the universe, winning for everyone. Winning for Guru, winning for Kailasa, winning for Sangha. Win-win-win-win-win-win-win strategy. Making ourselves available to Paramashiva. Understand? Just like sexting, pornography, all these are intangible but definitive pleasure. Psychological torture, all these are intangible but definitive pain. Oneness with Paramashiva is intangible but definitive enlightenment experience. Start living. Start living, I tell you. In this Pachapattini Vratam, for Parashakti, the first thing happens is your body starts cleaning itself, that self-purification. All the stored unnecessary fat, toxins, all that starts getting cleaned. The next thing, detox, a deep detox. Like a fat sitting on your liver, fat sitting as a layers and layers on your intestine, all that starts melting. Then next, purification. Your body starts eating itself. Understand? The beauty of the hunger. Understand? You should start enjoying hunger. You should not be diverted by the angry, irritation, agitation patterns triggered by your acidity. Your acidity is different, hunger is different. Hunger is Jataragni, pure fire, which eats the body by itself. Acidity is the physical reaction which triggers your anger and agitation patterns. That is why sometimes men starts behaving like heroes when they are hungry. Women start behaving like heroines when they are hungry. If hunger is triggering your anger and irritation, you are Chandala. Cheapest existence, lowest possible existence. If your hunger agitates anger, acidity, triggers irritation, be very clear. You need Nirahara Samyama. If your hunger is making you feel irritated and angry, almost 3 to 4 hours of your every day is destroyed. All the Adinavasis above 18, kids should not do. All the Adinavasis above 18, if you have completed 18, if you are an adult, you should work on your body. Make sure your hunger does not trigger your anger and irritation. Start learning to enjoy the hunger. Don't be diverted by the patterns triggered by acidity. Separate these two. Learn to see these two separately. Mediocre mind goes on dumping junk in your body. Stop making your body dustbin. Stop it. When the body eats itself, the most beautiful, highest orgasm which cannot be experienced by any sexual activity is triggered in your system. I tell you, no orgasm will be pleasant or pleasure to the depth of the orgasm, amritatva, the amrita experience manifests in you when your body starts eating itself. Beautifully, the Vallalar, a great saint from South India, he says, Pasittiru. Only if you start enjoying your hunger, it is intangible but definitive experience of the highest orgasm. Every part of your body eating itself and radiating amritatva, the experience of nectar. That's the most powerful purification. Even now I am feeling the saliva in the throat because I am experiencing the body eating itself. When your body starts eating itself and manifests life, you have become eternal. Understand? This is the declaration I am giving to all my sincere disciples and devotees everywhere. I am really talking with all integrity. I cracked the code of immortality. Understand? I cracked the code of immortality. I am only making it as applied science. How to make it available for the modern day civilized human beings. Like, you can't come and be with me for years together to learn this science. These practical difficulties. You need to work, you need to make money. So all that practical with your lifestyle, how I can transmit this science to you, only I am working out. If somebody is ready to come and dedicate their life with me for 5-6 years, I can guarantee immortality. Because when you drink all those herbal juices and make your body eat itself, you need absolute peaceful existence. You can't be violent. You can't have the thoughts of life negativity. Even 1 minute you cannot cherish them. You need to feel absolutely you are protected and secured. You need to be held in mother's lap, where you don't strategize for your existence. You are just at the lap of Parashakti. You need to feel that feeling as tangible whole day thought current. Then those herbs work in you. It's a most powerful alchemy process. And I actually cracked the code. The code of immortality is cracked. I am only working on how to make it available to the common man, to the humanity at large. And also need to protect myself from the demonic forces trying to snatch the science from me, or forcibly making me to make the people they choose as immortal. I am, with the grace of Paramashiva and protection of Mahakala Bhairava, I am protected, absolutely protected, don't worry. I will not allow demons to steal this science from me, and they cannot steal also. This whole Pachapattini Vratam is nothing but preparing all of you. See, it has multiple benefits. First, you start purifying your body. Your body starts eating itself. And you create a space for Paramashiva and Parashakti to manifest. The being of Paramashiva and Parashakti to manifest. And when they manifest, they heal the whole world. All of us who are doing Pachapatni Vratam all over the world are now medium for Paramashiva and Parashakti's being to manifest and heal the whole world. And naturally the corona will be healed. And when Paramashiva and Parashakti manifest in your being, Paramashiva and Parashakti's powers also manifest in your being. To understand, you are ultimately prepared for receiving the signs of immortality. Anybody who enjoys hunger, whose body eats itself and radiates life. See, your body eats itself. You are celebrating hunger, but hunger is not triggering acidity, anger, violence, irritation, any life negative ideas in you. If your hunger is triggering pleasure, orgasm, life positive experiences in you, you are immortal. The chemistry, alchemistry of amritatva, nectar has happened in your blood, in your system. The science is very simple. I am just making the laboratory for applied science. The pure existence of unclutched state and celebrating your hunger, triggering orgasm, extreme pleasure in your system. It will spread all over your body like an intense, sweet pleasure and orgasm in your system, and the nectar overflowing in your whole being. Amritatva. That is immortality. When the body eats itself, it releases highest conscious prana. Conscious prana even if it is released 1 second in your system, your whole system gets healed. Like a new body is built. If the conscious prana is manifesting in your body, then continuously new body is getting built and you will not die. This is the science of immortality. I am telling you, all my sincere devotees, disciples, Name Bhatta Pranashyati. My devotees do not perish. Because I already cracked the code of immortality. These 2 years of absolute space I had for myself. Rarely I met people. Very few saw me physically. My whole space was available just for me. Not just powers it manifested, and that absolute truths got revealed, like understand, intangible but definitive realities of existence started manifesting itself. Means Paramashiva started manifesting all of that through this body. Every Rudraksha touches this body has started becoming pregnant. If I drop that Rudraksha into the land, it will become a tree, Rudraksha tree. Not just a tree, carrying this very science in bioenergy level. Each Rudraksha touched my body has become like a microchip for this whole alchemy science. The body starts producing itself all the chemicals needed for Amritatva. This Kayakalpa, great pass, has done something extraordinary to the whole universe. The gifts now available with me to be shared to the world. Oh God! It's not just billions or trillions dollar worth. It's zillions dollar worth. Actually, you cannot put any money value for it. It's just a pure science. For the sake of human beings' understanding, I am just telling some dollar and all that words. Whatever you know as valuable, in that language I am talking. Letting the body eat itself, not supplying any solid food and supplying only the liquids which is like a lubrication. This panagam, jaggery, ginger, lemon, that water, this panagam, especially when you offer it to Parashakti. Understand, Parashakti may be intangible but definitive experience. When you offer it to Parashakti, see, even this Naivedya Mandal, offering it to gods, it may look very intangible, but it is definitive experience. I can very clearly tell the taste of the Tirupati Laddu, which is not offered to Venkateshwara, which is offered to Venkateshwara. I can see and have a bite and tell you very clearly the difference. Same way, any food offered to Arunachaleshwara, not offered, I can tell very clearly the difference, because it may be intangible but definitive experience. So when you offer this panagam to Parashakti and consume, drink, it is such powerful lubrication for body to eat itself and purify itself and release powerful conscious prana, Paramashiva prana. I have so much to tell. About the Pachapatni Vratam. One good news I have for all of you is that Corona will be healed just like that. In this, till April 4th, we are going to be doing Pachapatni Vratam. By the time we complete the Pachapatni Vratam, Corona will be healed. That's the good news. It will also prepare all of us intensely to receive the being of Paramashiva. To receive the being of Paramashiva. I want all over the world, all our ashrams, temples, wherever legally allowed, please do firewalking and lemon piercing and Pachapatni Vratam. Pachapatni Vratam also, please consult your doctors, because in some countries you need your doctor's approval. So do it as per the law of your land. The most powerful Pachapatni Vratam is the most powerful spiritual alchemy process for Para Shakti to manifest in all of us. I'll initiate all of you with the grace of Paramashiva. Connect all of us to Paramashiva and Parashakti. Through the process. Now, I'll start the initiation. Please take the Gayatri leaflet in your hand and recite the mantra along with me. Om Bhur Bhuvaswaha Tat Avitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhur Bhuvaswaha Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Om Bhur Bhuvaswaha Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Now, I'll give you Shivamoola Mantra Diksha, Shiva Diksha. Recite along with me. Om Ham Hau Shivaya Namaha. Om Ham Hau Shivaya Namaha. Om Ham Hau Shivaya Namaha. So now, Mahavagyopadesam. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. With this, I initiate all of you and bless all of you. Everyday morning satsang will become real experience, realization for you all. Everyday puja, you will all directly connect With Paramashiva, everyday yoga, you will experience Kundalini awakening. Everyday power manifestation, you will manifest Paramashiva's powers. With this, I initiate all of you Mantra Diksha, Siva Diksha, Vishesha Diksha and Mahavagya. With the grace of Paramashiva, I will connect all of us to Paramashiva, Parashakti and Sri Kailasa. Sit straight. With your Atmalinga in your hand, you don't need to close your eyes. You can keep your eyes open. Sit straight. I welcome you all with my love and respect. Let you all open all your three eyes. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Paramashivoham. 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 Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Paramashivoham.
परमशिवोऽहम्। ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम्। ॐ परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ परमशिवोऽहम् नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम् परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ परमशिवोऽहम् नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम् परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम्
ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhadvaita Saivam. Living and radiating the state, space, powers, being, superconsciousness and Sri Kailasa of Paramashiva, the eternal bliss. Paramashivoham Om Nityananda Paramashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.